In front of me is TECNO Phantom V Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down a tiny bit to access Notification Center. Then tap on Sort By and click on the best option for you. In my case, sort by frequency of notifications. Now by tapping on blue switchers next to your apps, you can block all notifications from them, and by clicking on gray ones, switch them back on. You can also just tap on any app that you wish to manage, and block all notifications over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!